Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're trying to create a flickering effect for your music video, for be it a transition or build up or just a normal flickering effect that you want, you can do it by 3 ways. So today I'm gonna show you how to do it with 3 types of flickering effects. So for application, as you can see that I've already installed a background music over here, and then yep, you can see that there's a layering effect of various glitch, or I mean flickering effect. And for this part, actually I create a repeat of the previous scene sort of, and then this create another twist to the flickering effect. And then bam, transform to the second clip. I have a very big blank screen at a very big interval, and then I shortens the interval as well as the blank screen to create intense and fast and repetitive flickering effect. And then goes to the reversed and fast forward clip, and then bang to the third clip, which is the main thing that I want you to do in this case, like the main music video. And the first way to do it, go to the titles and generators tab, the sidebar actually, and go to generators and type custom, and drag this custom block of nothing, black actually, to your timeline, and then zoom in to your timeline until you see that every frame is clearly present, and then go to the start. You can cut it out. And so this black screen just actually create a very very fast flickering effect. If you copy and paste it, say a few times, and you can choose to, by pressing V, to unuse some of the clips. You just unuse once every 2 frames. So basically you have a blank frame in between 2 frames. Yep, it's too fast. You can't see anything. It's just blah. And as you notice that I'm using 60 frames per second timeline, so this frame is really fast. If you're editing on some, say, 25 frames per second timeline, these frames actually will not be that fast. So another way to go around it is to lengthen the frame to be at least 2 frames. If you're trying to create those, like a build up to the next scene or next clip, you can try to position your position your black screen according to your track of music. Wherever your music goes, beat drop, or like a build up process, and then one last flickering effect before it goes to the next scene or next clip, and you have to adjust accordingly to achieve the best overall result for this build up process. I'm gonna show you the second way to do it. So the second way is by cutting your videos apart. So for example, you want to create some of the flickering effects like just now. You can just cut your videos into various parts, depending if you want to create those faster flickering effects or those slower flickering effects. You might just want to adjust accordingly and unuse the clips that you've already cut it out. And yep, it's something similar to just now, and it's sort of easier because you don't need an extra effort to drag those generators and stuff. But then sometimes you might not want this, so yep, it's up to you to choose whether you want this or that. And the third way to create a flickering effect is also very simple. For example, this clip, and then I drag it on the timeline. And just now I've already made some of the black screens by cutting the previous clip, the main clip. So for each of the black screen, I'm gonna show a second clip on top of this. And then it goes something like this. Fine. You can use this as your second clip as well. So this is actually your second clip. You don't need the people dancing one, so it's actually a transition to your second clip instead of the third clip. So yep. And this actually looks better if you're, for example, this guy looks somewhat at least in shape like this. And that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's short tutorial, and thanks for your support. Bye bye.